In this video, let's see how to combine and submit assessments. In the Tasks section, select the assessments you wish to combine. Select Combine to merge the selected assessments. You can combine assessments from the same or different templates. In the modal, provide a name for the combined assessment. Turn on Enable Auto Copy to copy responses across all assessments in a combined assessment. It works only when all assessments use the same template. If templates differ, it stays disabled. Select Combine to merge assessments. Select Assessment 1. Provide answers to the questions in Assessment 1. As you respond, the answers are automatically copied to Assessment 2, and the progress bar updates in real time. You can answer questions in any assessment within the combined group, and the corresponding questions in the other assessments will update automatically. Select Assessment 2. Since autocopy is enabled, your responses are already populated, so no manual entry is needed. In the navigation bar, select Submit All to submit the assessments. The warning, "Some assessments may be out of sync," appears when responses are entered directly into individual assessments, rather than through the combined assessment, leading to inconsistent answers across the group. In the modal, select the checkbox to confirm you've reviewed your answers, then select Submit All. The assessments are combined and submitted. After submission, the combined assessment is not retained. It is a temporary view used only for bulk actions and answering together. Thanks for watching. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher.